Friends, now I discuss determination, the nature of spinals AB2O4 type. Okay, and also I discuss earlier classes how we'll determine the nature of spinal like A3O4 type. Okay, now I discuss thoroughly. AB2O4. Now from this we get AO and also B2O3. Okay, AO and B2O3. Now we know that if A2 plus exist in tetrahedral holes and also B3 plus exist in octahedral hole, then we get the nature of spinal like simple spinal. Okay, if A2 plus is not exist in tetrahedral holes or B3 plus exist in octahedral holes, then we get the inverse spinal. Okay, now I discuss by an example. A9 Cr2O4. Okay, now from this we get NiO and also Cr2O3. Okay, now we know that if Ni2 plus exists in tetrahedral holes, then and also Cr3 plus exists in octahedral holes, then we call or this complex exists in spinal normal spine. Okay, now we calculated the CFS value. Okay, we all know that Na2 plus D8 system. Okay, for tetrahedrals easy T2G. Now put the electrons 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now CFSC value কত হবে 4 multiplied with minus 0.6 plus 4 multiplied with 0.4, then we get minus 2.4 plus 1.6, then we get minus 0.8 delta T. Okay, and also we calculated for octahedral. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then C base C equals to 6 into 4.4 plus 2 into 0.6. Okay, then we get minus 2.4 plus 1.2 equals to minus 1.2 delta O. Okay, now if we compare this value with this value, then this changes into octahedral, then we know delta T समान 4/9 delta O. Okay, now 0.8 into 4/9 delta O. Okay, then minus 3.2 divided by delta O, then we get minus 0.3 something. Okay, So this value is less than this value. Okay, so Na2 plus exists in octahedral hole. Okay, so Na2 plus exists in octahedral hole. So this rule is violate, that is Na2 plus exists in octahedral. So we told that A9Cr2O4 is an inverse spinels. Okay, so we also calculated for other example. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, like and also share. Thank you.